Good morning, class.
Good morning, Wise Owl.
Today we have someone new joining us. This is Sora. It is her first day in the forest, and she's traveled from far away just to come to school.
Hello, Sora.
Hello, everybody.
Come on, everyone. It's time for school.
Come on, Sora. You can sit next to me.
What a long tail.
And whiskers.
Today I'm going to show you some forest flowers, and I'd like you to tell me their names. Mice children, what is this flower?
A bluebell.
Very good. Lee and Sue, your turn. What is this one?
A daffodil.
Excellent. Mofy, look at this one. What is it called?
It's a tulip.
Well done. Sora, do you know the name of this flower?
I don't know what any of the flowers are. Oh, my. Look at all the leaves, Sora. Look at the fish, Mofy. What are they doing? I don't know. Oh, my gosh. I think they've learned how to breathe like us. Really? But I wanted to see them breathe underwater using your snorkel.
Hi.
Hi, Carrie. Look. The fish have learned to breathe like us.
Well, that's not possible, Mofy.
Then why are they gasping like that? Maybe they're hungry.
No, I can think of only one reason for them to behave like that. There's not enough oxygen in the water.
What do you mean? Could the leaves be a problem, Carrie? They're all over the pond.
You're right, Mofy. See that stream? It feeds fresh oxygenated water into the pond, but it's choked with leaves. We have to clear it.
All right. Oh. Mofy, what are you stopping for? Look here. It looks like a starry sky. Yes, very nice. Come along now. Oh, what a pretty path of flowers. Let's see where it goes, Sora. Oh, all right. Huh? Meow. Wow, isn't it wonderful? Wow, Mofy, it's stunning. You know, I would have run right past it if it hadn't been for you. Who's following me?
Ah!
Did you see those scary eyes?
He was really tall.
And he had 6 arms.
Where did everybody go?
Sora! Thank goodness you're safe.
Did you see Gudru? Then your screams frightened him away. Look! Oh, how fantastic! I'll blow out the lantern so we can see better. Good night, Gudru.
Ah!
Look! Sora has turned into...
Gudru!
Sora, I'd forgotten that cats' eyes shine in the dark. Watch. Off, on. Off, on.
The mystery is solved. Look for the 4-leaved clover.
Is it under a bush or up in a tree?
Look for the 4-leaved clover.
I think it's somewhere near to me.
And me. And me. And me.
No, me!
La la la, how lucky we'll be. Look for the 4-leaved clover.
We'll find the clover long before you.
I'll sniff it out. I'm in a tangle. I'll spot it first.
I really want that clover.
Oh, lovely, lovely 4-leaved clover.
I know you must be somewhere. There you are, right there. Oops. I'm sorry, Mrs. Groundhog. I thought you were a 4-leaved clover.
A clover with 4 leaves.
Oh, I found one too. Lucky me.
Congratulations.
Carrie, squirrels, what are you doing here?
Hello, Sora. I want Wise Owl to listen to my new song. It's for a competition. It goes like this. Making biscuits, so much fun. Be sure to taste them once they're done.
How clever. A song about biscuits. And I must take mine to Wise Owl. Sora, wait. You should taste the biscuits first. Why? I think they are a little bitter. Oh, they are bitter. I must have used the wrong berries. We tried to tell you, but we were worried you would be upset. Upset? Oh, no. I'm grateful. I would have looked very silly if Wise Owl had tasted them.
Tasted what?
The biscuits I brought you.
Let me try them.
Oh, no. Wait. They're
Delicious!
delicious.
Yes, cranberries. I love them. They have such a sharp taste.
This wind is so strong. I can hardly walk. Someone is enjoying it. Look.
Spin, spin, spin! Yay! Look how the wind spins my windmill.
Mine too. Hooray! Mofy, Sora, I've been expecting you.
Hi, Carrie. We couldn't make a cake. The wind blew away all the chestnut flour. We'll have to stop it before it blows everything away.
I know. We should build windbreaks with straw mats.
Great idea, Carrie.
It's working.
The wind is dropping.
Mr. Wind has gone.
Carrie, what have you done with Mr. Wind?
Mr. Wind? Who is Mr. Wind?
He makes our windmills spin.
He's our friend. Well, Mr. Wind blew my music away.
And the chestnut flour. I don't think he's our friend. Honey! Bees! Bees! Get away! Help!
It's time to assign the award. Oh, I see so many nice costumes around me, made with chestnuts, with acorns, leaves, and mushrooms.
Help!
But wait, somebody's coming.
Who could that be?
Phew. Sorry for being late. Wow! It's Sora!
What a nice costume.
You arrived just in time. I was about to announce the prize winner.
Really? And who is it?
It's you, Sora. Yours is certainly the most original costume. Congratulations!
Yeah, it's really different. It's cool.
But how did you do it? Oh, it wasn't so difficult in the end. If you help me take this pumpkin off, I'll tell you. Oh!
Yeah, it's really...
Last acorn for today.
Hey, what's that strange shadow?
Monster?
Sora?
Yes, Mofy. It was Sora's shadow.
But she doesn't have a big nose. I was looking inside this tin to see if there were any more biscuits.
There's the big nose. How funny!
It's like magic. It's an optical illusion, in fact. And we can use it to put on a shadow play.
Oh, yeah!
We'll go first.
Yeah.
Wow, a musical note with their tails. It's for you, Carrie.
Thank you.
Beautiful. Brilliant. I'll need these twigs for my show. Wow.
That's lovely.
The sun!
It's shining. Well done. Whee! Here we go.
Just a minute. It's late. I've got to go. But where are the postcards? All delivered. Delivered?
Yes, we did it.
All together.
Now you can rest and enjoy Christmas time with us.
Thank you so much.
Friends of the forest sharing this time of peace and joy.
Were there any strawberries still left when you went to sleep?
Oh, yes.
There was still one strawberry left when I went to bed. It was delicious.
Ah, now I understand. So many people tasted the strawberries, they all disappeared. Oh, and I blamed poor Sora.
Sora! Happy birthday, Mummy Mouse. I baked you some strawberry biscuits. And I found the strawberries at the market, of course.
Thank you, Sora. I'm so sorry. I thought you had taken mine.
Sora, one thing still puzzles me. What were you doing in Mummy Mouse's house?
I came here straight from the market to borrow the heart-shaped baking tins. If I'd asked Mummy Mouse, it would have spoiled the surprise. I'm very sorry I took them without telling anyone. I knew it wasn't you.
Now let's have a birthday party.
Yay!